What is that? A stream? Welcome to Charlie's in Charge. Come along with us to the Pennsylvania Farm Show. First, some honey-sweetened ice cream. Off to see the tractors. This is called tractor dancing. Time to see the animals. Look at all those cows. Looks like he's taking a nap. It was a little stinky in here, according to Charlie. This is a milking station where cows get milked. What are those? They're sheep. You see sheep? There are over 1,000 different kinds of sheep. Yeah, baby sheep. Let's see, is there any more? Let's see these ones. Look at them. Oh. They what? They have tags on their ears? Oh, they're playing tag. You do. Look at those sheep. These ones have horns. Snack break. You see them with the horns? Yeah, they have horns. Here he comes. Here they come. Charlie got this cool hat from the Game Commission. Is he a bear? Are you a bear? Look at. Over there is made of all butter. This sculpture was titled A Table for All and was hand carved. Time to go fishing. Charlie was able to catch a fish here last year. Let's see if he can do it again. You got one!
You can pull it up over the mouth. Yeah. Let me get a picture here. You gonna hold your fish, buddy? Let mommy take you a picture with your fish.
Can you say alpaca? Don't forget about the bunnies. A pit stop on the way home to Hershey's Chocolate World. You want to go on that ride? We're going on the chocolate tour. The sign says, "A tale of determination, delicious chocolate, and lasting goodness." Did you know it takes 270 cocoa beans to make 1 pound of chocolate?
Inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Here we go. Cocoa beans get sorted and put onto this conveyor belt.
It turns cocoa beans into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
This is where the milk and chocolate get mixed together.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
This chocolate bar weighs 5 pounds. I can't see you. We hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tune in for our next video.